Here is a complete, engaging, and highly detailed script based on your provided transcript. It is designed with a strong hook, simple vocabulary, short sentences, and a smooth explanatory flow to keep viewers hooked and maximize viral potential. The viral hook. Stop scrolling because Apple's March 2026 event has just been completely leaked, and it is going to change everything. We're talking about 7 massive new products, and the craziest part? Apple is finally focusing on budget-friendly devices. If you have been waiting to upgrade your laptop, your iPad, or your iPhone, this is the exact moment you have been waiting for. Thanks to rock-solid reports from top analysts like Jeff Pu, Mark Gurman, and Ming-Chi Kuo, plus newly discovered leaked code, we now know exactly what is coming. Grab a snack and get comfortable, because Apple is about to flip the tech world upside down. 1. The M5 MacBook Air. Let us jump right into product number 1, the brand new M5 MacBook Air. This machine is dropping very soon. In fact, insiders and brands working behind the scenes are heavily pointing to an early March release. This makes perfect sense. We are already expecting the high-end MacBook Pros to drop, and Apple always loves to follow up the Pro models with the Air. Plus, they released the M4 MacBook Air around this exact same time last year. So what is new? From the outside, it is going to look very familiar. Apple is sticking with the same sleek design and the same gorgeous 13-inch display. But under the hood, it is a completely different beast. The biggest change is the leap to the brand new M5 chip. This brings massive performance boosts across the board. We're talking about highly advanced ray tracing and serious muscle for AI workloads. If you do any video editing, expect up to 2 times faster performance for video rendering. It is also going to make your daily web browsing feel incredibly snappy with top-tier single-core performance. We already know the base M5 chip is crazy fast from seeing it out in the wild, and having in the fanless, lightweight MacBook Air is going to make this the ultimate everyday laptop. 2. The iPad 12th generation. Moving on to the second product, we have the iPad 12th generation. This is where things get completely wild. Recently, some crazy code leaks discovered by Macworld showed us that this budget iPad is getting a massive brain transplant. We all expected it to get the older A18 chip, but instead, leaked code points to it getting the insanely powerful A19 chip straight out of the current iPhone 17. Apple has never done this before. Giving a budget iPad their latest flagship phone chip is just nuts. The performance boost compared to the older A16 iPad is staggering. The screen will stay at a comfortable 6.1 inches, but Apple is finally killing the old notch. That is right, the iPhone 17e is getting the modern dynamic island that we all know and love. Apple is also shaving down the thick bezels that made the older 16e look a bit cheap. With thinner bezels and the dynamic island, this $599 phone is going to look almost exactly like a premium iPhone 17 Pro from the front. That is a massive reason to upgrade, and at that price, it is going to fly off the shelf. 4. The 12-inch MacBook Revival, $599. Prepare yourself for product number 4 because this is going to shake up the entire budget laptop market. Apple is bringing back the 12-inch MacBook, and it is rumored to start at just $599. Windows laptops and Chromebooks should be terrified. Mark Gurman has confirmed this will feature an entirely new, incredibly slim design. It is not just recycled parts from an old MacBook Air, but the wildest part is the processor. This will be the first laptop in the world powered by an iPhone chip. Leaks point to either the A18 Pro or the A19 Pro. Both of these chips are insanely fast. The single-core performance actually beats the M4 chip, and the multi-core and graphics performance rival the M2. Codenamed J700, this ultra-budget MacBook was found in leaked code running macOS 26.3. Apple might even rebrand the chip inside to call it the M5e to make it fit perfectly into their laptop lineup. Expect 8 gigabytes of RAM, an option to upgrade to 16 gigabytes, some really fun colors, and hands down the best battery life we have ever seen in a laptop. We could see this launch right alongside the new MacBook Air, giving buyers 2 distinct budget choices. 5. The iPad Air M4. Number 5 on our list is the iPad Air M4. This one is simple but highly requested. Expected in early March, this might be the exact reason Apple skips the budget iPad 12. Code names J77 through J738 have leaked, confirming both 11-inch and 13-inch sizes, complete with cellular options. Do not expect a crazy redesign here. This is a straightforward, raw power spec bump to the M4 chip. It is also highly likely we will see the new Apple N1 wireless chip included to bring Wi-Fi 7 to the Air lineup. It is simple, it is fast, and it is going to be a powerhouse for creators. 6. The HomePod Mini 2. Product number 6 has actually been sitting in Apple's warehouses for months. The HomePod Mini 2. Why are they releasing it now? Because leaks show it is sticking with a standard Broadcom Wi-Fi chip instead of the new N1. That means it won't support heavy on-device Apple Intelligence features. Instead, the upgrade is all about speed and reliability. It is getting the S10 chip, the exact same one found in the latest Apple Watches. This means when you ask Siri a question, the response will be significantly snappier, and your smart home connections will be much more stable. It is a quiet update, but a very necessary one. 7. The Apple TV 4K. Finally, as a bonus product, let's talk about the Apple TV 4K. Many of you have been waiting patiently for this. While everything else is targeting March, rumors suggest the Apple TV 4K might actually be held back until April. The reason? Apple is heavily focusing on bringing next-generation Siri and Apple Intelligence features to the big screen. They want to launch it alongside a brand new Apple Smart Home Hub device. If they didn't care about these AI features, they could have launched this Apple TV last fall. But Apple is waiting to get this exactly right, making your living room smarter than ever. Final thoughts and opinion. Looking at this massive lineup, my absolute favorite has to be the $599 12-inch MacBook Revival. Putting an ultra-fast iPhone chip into a super slim, beautifully designed laptop at that price point is going to completely destroy the budget PC market. It is the perfect machine for students, writers, and anyone who wants Apple quality without spending over $1,000. Pair that with the iPhone 17e getting the dynamic island for just $599, and 2026 is shaping up to be the best year ever for budget-conscious Apple fans. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe, share the video with a friend, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know down in the comments. Which of these 7 products are you most excited to buy?